Aki! Aki!
Sino ako?
Aki, what is friendship?
What is friendship? Okay. So, my friendship. Ayan. Pre-physic na sila. Abigail, Elvira, Sheila, Luigi, and Jonaline, at ano ba yun? Si Jonet. Ayan. Speaking of Jonet, happy birthday, Jonet. So, ang wish ko sa'yo sa birthday, sana mag-ingat ka palagi at yun, always take care. And, ano ba? Ha? Ayun. Kayo daw, ano, classmate ni Shara Cuneta. Hindi, joke lang. Shara. So, yun, sobrang mabait si Shara yun. So, ano pa yun? Or friendship. So, wala akong masabi na iba. So, basta happy birthday and I love you so much. And thank you for sport. Thank you for sport me. Manood po kayo ng unang tulungan. Anything. Bye-bye.
Job's a joke, you broke, your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you when the fear is gone. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too. Still in bed at 10 and work again at 8. Burned your breakfast so far, things are going great. You know I will want you, there'd be days like these. But you better tell you when it's but down your knees. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you.
Sino nga bang pumatay? Sino nga bang sino? Sa bahay mo? Sa bahay. Kung saan nagkuha ng bako? Kumain na. Bawal.
Seems you're the only one who knows what it's like to be me. Someone to face